Hi, I'm Ken Dettelbach. I'm a two-tour Vietnam combat vet. I am also a founder of R&R for Vets along with my wife Pam. We're in our 8th year. We've gotten numerous awards, and we're going to be able to show you today some very special projects that we've been working on because we're all about involving the community.
When we moved here from Colorado when I was about 2 years old, went to school in a one-room schoolhouse with one teacher. And there's probably, 20 kids in there. I grew up barefoot, going fishing, happy little kid, as my wife calls it, range-free or cage-free. Where we're at now is where my aunt and uncle lived, which part of the house that survived the fire. And the rest of the house belonged to my grandfather and grandmother, which was given to my grandmother back in 1892. We were sitting down on our chairs watching TV. About 9 o'clock, I heard a loud pop, like a balloon or a firecracker or something like that. I walked into the kitchen and I saw fire raining down from the ceiling, drops of fire, and I yelled to my wife, "Fire!" Fire department couldn't do anything. By the time they got here, it was just engulfed and there's nothing that they could save.
In a time of feeling there is no hope, R&R for Vets came and gave us hope. A section of our home is being restored, and it all began with a new roof. Winter came with the rain, snow, and wind. This is how we felt mentally. With a new roof, we were able to see sunshine. Thank you, R&R for Vets. Thank you so very much. God bless you.
And that's how R&R got involved. He called Ken up and told him our story, and they stepped up to the plate and they delivered for us. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you.
R&R played a key role in helping me to get a roof over my head. Me and my daughter, to get a roof over our heads. They were able to coordinate a trailer getting moved from a fellow veteran to myself. The goal was to get a house of our own, but with rising inflation and interest and with rising, it was starting to become out of our reach. And so R&R stepped in and helped us to get that process done. So my daughter is 5. She's getting ready to start kindergarten, and she's super happy, and she has grown so fast, and she's very smart. I would like to say thank you, first of all, to everyone who pitched in, to God, and to everyone who pitched in. And because of your blessing, I can now bless others.